Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app, which typically has a gray icon with gears. Tap to open it. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the notification option, usually near the top of the list. This section allows you to control notification settings for all apps installed on your device. In the Notifications menu, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone, each with individual notification settings. Scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. The apps are usually listed alphabetically, so you may need to scroll down a bit. Tap on Snapchat to open its specific notification settings. Here, you'll be able to manage various types of notifications, including sounds, banners, and alerts that Snapchat can send to your iPhone. Once you're in the Snapchat notification settings, look for an option labeled Time Sensitive Notifications. Time sensitive notifications are a feature in iOS that allows certain notifications to break through focus modes, such as Do Not Disturb, because they are considered high priority or urgent. To stop receiving these notifications, simply tap the switch next to time sensitive notifications so it turns gray. This disables the setting, meaning Snapchat can no longer send time sensitive alerts. And that is everything you need to know about how to turn off time sensitive notifications. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.